right, people, we have Surge Pays. Now, these will be 3 companies. They all have earnings next week. We have Surge Pays August 13th. Now, they have a strong buy, $9, from Ascendient Capital, and substantial revenue growth and improved gross profit margin. Now, they sell this thing, a phone in a box, all right, which is supposed to be revolutionary because normally how track phones, they're distributed to convenience stores through third-party wholesalers or distributors specializing in prepaid wireless products. These distributors, we have TracFone, Straight Talk, Net10, supplying phones and airtime cards to retail locations. In some cases, convenience stores may work directly with the prepaid brands. These partnerships involve contracts to stock branded phones, so that's a whole big thing. And they have often these small retail stores, they rely on regional brokers who aggregate products from multiple brands. So SurgePay is different. Its proprietary ClearLine POS platform enhances the retail experience. It enables SIM activations, top-ups, and digital financial services directly at the point of sale, creating a seamless transaction process for both clerks and customers. Sets up customers for recurring purchases as they return to the same store monthly for renewals. Fosters customer retention and increases store profitability. And the ClearLine platform transforms POS terminals into marketing tools, supporting real-time campaigns, loyalty programs, FC QR code interactions. So if we have these SurgePay phones operating as well on AT&T networks, that's big, big, big. The partnership formalized in November 2024, that's pretty recent, also positioned SurgePay as a mobile virtual network enabler. And they've already reported selling 2,600 of these, which in under 30 days, and if they're gonna have the returning customers, I think SurgePay could impress at earnings. And they also were part of that Federal Lifeline program, which that could also be something that they talk about, or that could go to other things like contracts and whatnot. So lots of room for growth. And this is gonna be their year chart. So as you can see, I think Surge, this phone in a box on the AT&T network, could be quite lucrative. Then we have Synergy. Synergy definitely down today, but their earnings is going to be a day after Surge's earnings, August 14th. Now this would have been their first launch. I assume this is their IPO. And they're doing what? Hired the Coca-Cola executive, former Coca-Cola executive for sales. And the other day, August 4th, they're going to have 1,000 commercials. That's big. A lot of people still watch commercials. And their expansion in Canada, and they had one expanding in Turkey and Dubai. This Focus Factor, who knows? People, maybe Focus Factor could be the next Gatorade. We don't really know. Then we have ASPI down under 10. But ASPI, they're going to have earnings. They're supposed to be August 18th. And they're on somewhat of a high, but can their earnings bring them higher? I don't know. ASPI is always held down by shorts. And their isotope business, they're making those sales so they could finally be talking money. They are still operating at a hefty loss. But if they're proprietary, ASP and QAI separation tech covered by patents and trade secrets. Do secrets make friends here? I hope so. But they're doing these nuclear fuels. And if you look at LEU had crazy success of their earnings. So if ASPI is going to be able to supply this Halo fuel, it could just be huge. And their partnership with TerraPower. TerraPower is literally Bill Gates' power plant. They have the licensing deal to sell to them. If everything keeps going smooth with this, it's just very excellent for ASPI. I think ASPI could be a big growth opportunity here. Really, I do. If their tech is what they say it is, and their quantum enrichment tech, the promising isotope separation, cheaper and more scalable, that could be huge. Isotopes are very needed. The global isotope sales hit 11 billion in 23, could soar to 25 billion by 2033. That, and there you have Centrus Energy. That's going to be LEU. Straight shooting they are. So I'm also hopeful on ASPI. I'd say Surge, Synergy, and ASPI.